how to use property to generate passive income so you don't have to work and you're only working unless you choose.
So this is an amazing example of what you can do. So we purchased this for 180,000, so 180, and we are going to be spending around 80,000. We can put that in there, and this is already been valued at the end because of having the schedule of works and saying with the values in the area. It was just a 4-bedroom house residentially, and we're turning it into a 7-bedroom, 3-story HMO with massive conversion, and it's going to be worth 455,000 when we're finished with it.
Because there is a process to go through to actually get that to the place where it needs to be. Because what actually happened, because we got the change of use, because we know the process of how to do that in Article 4 areas, because a lot of people say stay away from them.
Yeah.
And if you don't know what you're doing, then yes, stay away. But if you want to come learn how to do that, then obviously stay engaged and stay on board with real life, because we've got various different programs and things that we can do to help you with that. But because of the change of use, when we had it valued to get the bridge loan in the first place, just so we could start the renovation way before the refinance.
Oh, yeah.
The valuation came back at 250, right?
Yeah, it was 255 that he said, and everyone was like, they actually rang me, the bank, and said, can I just ask, like, how you're only paying 180,000 rent? I said, why? Because I don't look at the value now on the report. I'm just interested in what it's going to be at the end, so I didn't even look. And he went, it's been valued at 255,000. I went, I am an awesome negotiator. That's what I said. But he was like, it just seems to be extremely, like, is something going on? I was like,
yeah, the thing is, you just need to know the strategies to force appreciation. Because you can buy a house, wait 10, 20 years, and maybe, just maybe, you might be able to make some money. Or you can force appreciation and use the very creative strategies to generate passive income, so it pays you monthly. That's why you can then choose whether you want to work or not, because you can get paid on a month-by-month basis with very minimal or even zero input from yourself. You can have it all on autopilot, or you can stay involved, like some people in the Real Life Tribe who've been on programs, they like to stay involved, they like to manage their own projects. Or you can set business systems up to run it as a fully fledged business, which then you can scale until the cows come home.